Dumpster rental service in Acton, Massachusetts. Looking for reliable dumpster rental in Acton, Massachusetts? Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal has you covered with top-quality waste management solutions for both residential and commercial needs. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, renovating a home, or managing a construction project, we offer convenient, affordable dumpster options that will help you keep your space clutter-free. We provide a wide range of dumpster sizes to suit any project, including 10-yard, 15-yard, and 20-yard containers. Our easy-to-use service allows you to choose the right size for your job, and our flexible rental periods mean you can keep the dumpster for as long as needed. At Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal, customer satisfaction is our top priority, which is why we offer on-time delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on schedule. Our team is always ready to assist with advice on selecting the right dumpster and offer tips for efficient waste disposal. Whether you're in need of a short-term dumpster or longer-term waste management, Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal makes it simple and affordable. For dumpster rental in Acton, Massachusetts, contact Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal today at 978-635-4226. Let us handle the waste so you can focus on the job at hand.